Iranian ship hit in attack in Mediterranean, company says. The ship was slightly damaged by an explosive object which caused a big fire and no casualties, state media reports. An Iranian container ship was damaged in an attack in the Mediterranean, the state-run shipping company said on Friday, adding it would take legal action to identify the perpetrators of what it called terrorism and naval piracy. The ship, Sharkord, was slightly damaged in Wednesday's incident by an explosive object which caused a small fire, but no one on board was hurt, the spokesman, Ali Ghayazian, said, according to state media. Such terrorist acts amount to naval piracy, and are contrary to international law on commercial shipping security, and legal action will be taken to identify the perpetrators through relevant international institutions, Ghayazian said. The vessel was headed to Europe when the attack occurred and will leave for its destination after repairs, he added. Two maritime security sources said initial indications were that the Iranian container ship had been intentionally targeted by an unknown source. The incident comes 2 weeks after an Israeli-owned ship, the MV Helios Ray, was hit by an explosion in the Gulf of Oman. The cause was not immediately clear, although a U.S. defense official said the blast left holes in both sides of the vessel's hull. Israel accused Iran of being behind the explosion, a charge it denied. On Friday, Israeli officials did not comment when asked if Israel was involved in the Sharkord incident reported by Iran. A third maritime security source told the Reuters news agency that 3 other Iranian ships had been damaged in recent weeks by